हेलो एवरीबॉडी, मेरा नाम सौम्या है। मैं आपकी साइकी हूँ, टैरोट कार्ड रीडर हूँ, हीलर हूँ, प्लस आई एम अ स्टाइलिस्ट शेफ बाय हॉबी, सो यू कैन कोलैबोरेट विद मी एनी टाइम फॉर any requirement. I'm always available for your personal reading, and I only do every session on payment, on advance payment. So I only give away only on my live session. If you are my subscriber here, so you'll definitely give a one free giveaway on my live session. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. And today my reading is all about water signs, what's coming for you during 2021 January. So are you ready? So just empty your mind, guys, and we'll start with your reading. What is coming there for my Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for my Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? Okay, I got the Hermit, first card. What is there for my water signs? You could be in a rest mode. You're not in a mood to do any movement. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There is a Temperance. You could deal with a Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer too. And yeah, there are angels for some of my Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. They are protecting you. Right now you could be in a hermit mode, but there is more good to come towards to you. So your ancestors are protecting you. You are gaining your own legacy right now. आप अपनी legacy gain कर रहे हैं, आपको angels protect कर रहे हैं इस वक्त. Let's see what is more there for you. What is there for my water signs? What coming there for them? Spirit angel, please guide me with one card. What is there in love? What is there in career? Okay, I got so many cards. Okay, I'll take all of them. Queen of Pentacles. You could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or you could deal with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, King of Cups. Eight of Wands. Four of Wands. Wheel of Fortune. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Your person could be, or your moon signs could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn too. There is a Hierophant. Then Ten of Cups. Okay, I am getting one more card over here, which is Five of Wands reverse, and end of the deck is Six of Wands. So you're getting out of your blockages, guys. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Whatever is blocking you right now, आपको जो भी चीज़ ब्लॉक कर रही है, आप उस चीज़ से बाहर निकल रहे हैं. आप डेफिनेटली सोलमेट जर्नी में भी चल रहे हैं इस वक्त. रिगार्डिंग योर करियर, यू आर इन अ स्पिरिचुअल पाथ. Okay, guys, you can be a very spiritual person, especially a Cancer over here. You could be a very spiritual person, and yeah, over religiously you are very spiritual by mind. तो आपका मैं ये देख पा रही हूँ गाइस, आप एक तो अपने ब्लॉकेजेस से बाहर निकल रहे हैं. यू आर फाइटिंग अ लॉट. यू हैव फॉट अ लॉट इन योर पास्ट. यू हैड सम फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके गाइस, रिगार्डिंग योर लव लाइफ, career, you had some family issues. What I am seeing here, there were people like so many against you, और आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे ब्लॉकेजेस आ सकते हैं. मैं ये भी देख पा रही हूँ. आपका जो भी होएगा अभी डिवाइन टाइमिंग तक होने वाला है. बहुत कुछ बहुत अच्छा होएगा. आप जिनके भी बारे में सोच रहे हैं, ये पर्सन आपके साथ फैमिली चाह रहे हैं, आप भी इनके साथ फैमिली का सोच रहे हैं. आई गॉट टू फैमिली कार्ड्स हियर. सो डेफिनेटली यू विल बी गेटिंग मैरिड ड्यूरिंग अ 2021. You could see number 11 a lot. Over here you are like a queen or king. Like you can be a very emotional person and very intellectual. You could be a doctor, healer. For moreover, I am seeing a businessman. And for others, you are like doing well on YouTube channel or any other social network site. So you are definitely king and queen of pentacles. you're full of emotions. Your emotions are like you're trying to control your emotions. This person loves you a lot, and this person wants to come towards you and travel to you, and they will be coming very sooner, or you could be going towards them. I could also feel like there is a communication coming to you regarding your love, career, or you could also travel out of country or out of place. You could go and set fix up some property issues or whatever business you are doing. But yeah, there will be a time will be coming where your fortune will be in your own hand. Whatever you are thinking, the person you're thinking of, they will be with you. Unfortunately, this person has a luck with you, guys. So let's see what is more there for you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What is coming for my water signs? Spirit angel, please guide me. So I feel like you are coming out of your past too. You want this person very badly, and this person also want you very badly. This could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I'm getting like all signs over here in your chart. The person you're dealing with: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay guys, so these are the signs. Yeah, lovers, I got 15. So definitely this person is your lover, or you want to be this person lover. If you haven't met this person, definitely they'll be your soulmate, twin flame for sure. Number 15 is very important to you guys, okay? And yeah, let's see what is more there for you. What is there for my water sign? Spirit angel, please guide me. Okay, high honor. Wow. This relationship is going in very high honor level. This person appreciate you. You can be also in the same mode, or whatever your job you are doing right now. Right now you are highly honored in front of everyone. Everyone is like, wow, 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 you're doing so good. You're so awesome. So it is for some, not for all. Let's see what is there for you, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What is coming there for my water sign? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for in career and love? What are you thinking, water signs? So deep thinker you are, wealthy man. So you could be a wealthy man, guys. As I said, you could be a businessman. You are doing your everything alone. You can handle everything by yourself. You are a very handsome here, or a beautiful woman out there who is watching this channel right now, my reading. So number 13 and 25 is yeah, very important. And yeah, it could be a birthday. Whoa. Message. See, as I told, there is a communication coming towards you. So there is a communication will be coming through this person. You could get a communication of job, what or not. So luck is on your side during January 2021, and soon luck will be turning more good in a positive way in love and career both. What is coming there for my water signs? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Okay. Great fortune. Wow, so lovely now. Great fortune. Number 26 can be very important. This person's birthday or your birthday could be at 26th, 25th, number 13, 15, 7, or your age could be 25, 26, or something will happen during this date, guys. Number 1, main male. So this person want to be your main male, guys, and Yeah, they love you a lot. This person, if you're a female here, definitely this person want to be your main male, and they are very number one. They are like alpha, number one. One of my clients said ki number one is alpha. So in army, in defense, mostly people say alpha, beta, and whatever. I don't remember, guys. Sorry, I'm from army background, and like I have my friends from army too and civilians too. So it is like that. So this person is like alpha, number one. They want to be your main male. Okay, and they keep on thinking about you. You could be also in same energy, guys. Like, yeah, see, I got main female. 1 and 2 both are together. 1 plus 2 create 3. So you'll be getting, yeah, number 33. Everything is like written with this person. So, yeah, this person want to make you their main female, and there is a concern from this person. You could be in same energy too. Now let's see what my angel romance says for you. But yeah, regarding your career, there will be very much high honoring, especially Cancer over here. And I'm getting Piscean energy, Scorpion. Yes, you will be getting soon married in 2021 is your year. Okay, so get out of your negative energy, guys. Already you are getting out. So take your time, just relax, meditate. So you could see 333, 111 a lot. Okay, soulmate. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I told you, no, the person you're dealing right now, or you're been in a relationship with them, or you're still in a relationship, or you're dealing with a new person. This is your meant to be together. अगर आपकी शादी इनसे हो गई तो वेल एंड वेल गुड. अगर ज़रूरी नहीं कि अगर शादी नहीं हुई तो ये आपका सोल फ्रेंड भी हो सकते हैं. ये आपको बहुत प्यार करते हैं, पर से बोलते नहीं हैं, एक्सप्रेस नहीं करते होंगे. एंड अगर आपकी शादी होती है, शादी के बाद ही पर्सन आपको मिल रहे हैं, सो डेफिनेटली यू आर मेंट टू बी टुगेदर. सी, आई गॉट दिस कार्ड, व्हील ऑफ फॉर्च्यून, 10 ऑफ कप्स. वेट अ सेकेंड, लेट मी शो यू गाइज. तब आपको यकीन होएगा मेरे ऊपर, बिकॉज आई एम यूजिंग माई ऑरिकल डेक एंड ऑरिकल डोंट लाई. यू सी मेन फीमेल. This is getting so much exciting. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I am loving this reading. So nice, no? It's so lovely. So happy for you guys. Let's see what is more there for you. What is coming for my Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? Angel Spirit, please guide me with relevant answer. एंड अगर आप मैरिड है तो आप अपने सोलमेट से ही मैरिड है गाइस. कैंसर, स्कॉर्पियो, पाइसेस. तो आपको चिंता की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. हो सकता है अभी आपका अबंडेंस आने वाला है इस पर्सन के साथ. दिस इज़ योर ट्रू लव. सो दिस पर्सन इज़ ऑल्सो वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर. राइट नाउ दे आर जस्ट बिहेविंग इन वेरी इनडायरेक्ट वेज. दे आर लाइक शोइंग आई डोंट केयर, go aside, like their energy is very toxic, or your energy can be really toxic right now, but soon this thing will be changing. If I'm saying it, I'm saying it. This thing will change soon. ये बहुत जल्दी change होने वाला है. Your wish will come true, and cards don't lie, guys. This is tarot reading, guys, and cards really don't lie. If you don't believe, don't believe. Please don't watch this reading if you don't believe. If you believe it, then please, it does happen. It happened with me. It happened with many of my clients. It do come true. So if you are feeling resonated, please share your comments too and likes too. Please don't just view my channel. What is there for my Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is happening with them? Deception. I told you, no, right now they are just hiding their feelings. For other, this person can lie. This person is right now in a very toxic way. They are behaving in a very toxic, but soon they will be like coming towards you, because this is your true love, and soulmate. I got this card automatic. Four of Wands. See? Lucky, lucky, lucky. And yeah, there is very much attraction, guys. You attract a romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So yes, definitely there is attraction going on between you guys. I can feel like this person wants you, they want to come to you very badly, and yeah, they are opening their eyes right now. Whoa, I'm so happy for you guys, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Your January or coming this year will bloom, 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 bloom away. Like, fantastic. So if you felt my reading was resonated with you, I am saying again, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share your comments below section, and don't forget to press the bell button icon over there. Ting 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 ting. Okay guys, so bye bye. Love you all. Love you all my lovers and supporters. Bye bye. Love you all.